In this screencast, I'm going to walk us through the several steps involved in obtaining content from a remote repository such as HathiTrust through the Collections Interoperability Hub. Now, we access the CI Hub through the repository browser tool, which we've built and added to the Zotero research environment. So first, we open the repository browser. You'll notice several tabs across the top of the browser. By default, the browser opens to the local object store, which is a view of the content available locally. We, however, need to go to the CI Hub to obtain the content, because it's the CI Hub that acts as a broker between the local research environment and a remote repository. So we open the CI Hub, and now what we do is a fairly simple thing. We navigate to the folder where we'd like to have our content placed, and we upload a Zotero Bookmark file to that folder. That Zotero Bookmark file contains a reference to a book title in the HathiTrust holdings. So I will go through the process of uploading the Zotero Bookmark file. I'll click the button, and let's see what we have. Well, what we have here, interestingly enough, is something that looks pretty obscure. This is the tail end of a handle to the object, a permanent reference to that object in HathiTrust. We have a handle there now because the process of obtaining the file can be time intensive. And so in its various early stages, it shows us what information it has. And at the point at which we opened this folder, we did not yet have bibliographic information for that title. But let's refresh the folder now, and we see that the handle is now changed to a title called A Selection of Latin Verse, which is indeed the title that I wanted to obtain. Now, books are represented as folders, and if we open the folder, we should start to see some pages. Presumably there are a few pages in this title, so it's taking a moment to fetch them. Alright, now we have a list of pages, and I'll pick one at random, say page 20, and let's see what we have. Well, I have a bit of Latin verse, and that's what I was hoping to obtain. So the process then, in summary, is you navigate to the appropriate place in the repository browser, you drop in a Zotero Bookmark file, the CI Hub does its magic, that is, it goes to HathiTrust in this case, fetches a title, and then creates a bamboo book object and places that in the folder. So that's the long and short of it. Thanks.